Hello traders, good morning, good afternoon and good evening depending upon your time zone. My name is Mohammed Azim and welcome to ReadyForex.com London Forex trading session, and I'm going to cover Elliot Wave Forex Forecast. First, as disclaimer, I use Elliot Wave analysis to trade and market, and I also teach trading with Elliot Wave online course. And if you are interested, you can start making money with trading with Elliot Wave online course. And there are different ways to talk with me, communicate with me. Let's get started. I'm going to close this one over here, and let's see what's going on. Okay, this was the euro dollar sell trade which I have taken. Okay, let me write it down over here. This was the sell at 1.1768. Yes, and let me move this one. No, don't want to put another order over here. Let's see. Cancel this one over here. Okay, so 1.1768, this is the entry, sell entry I mean, and I've taken this trade on Friday. I went over the weekend actually. Anyways, the point is that right now price has moved about right up around 20 pips in my favor, I would say. So it's a good idea to lower down the stop loss and lock in maybe 1 or 2 pips profit over here. This is called trade management. Once you are in profit, you need to protect your trading capital. So 1.1768 is the sell entry, so I'm going to lock in 2 pips over here, so 1.1766. So in this way I'm going to lower down my stop loss, so I can sit back and relax and enjoy the ride. It's a free trade, I can't lose it. The worst case scenario is price action is going to rise back up and it will hit my protective trailing stop, and I will get out of the market with a 2 pips profit. Okay, now let's go to a daily chart to see what's going on over here. Okay, daily looks kind of bearish. So at this point in time, inside euro dollar currency pair, I've logged in about 2 pips profit. Let me write it down over here. This is called plus 2 pips, plus 2 pips logged profit. Okay, so this. Okay, now let me go over to the market analysis. Let's start the analysis. So regarding the euro dollar daily time frame, let's start with euro USD daily. At this point in time, it seems to me euro dollar currency pair has printed a short-term top over here. Maybe the wave 5 looks complete. Okay, and market is probably going to drop, or at least I expect a short-term pullback in price action of euro dollar currency pair. Okay, regarding the 4-hour time frame, as long as price action is staying below 1.1830 level, the chances are euro dollar is going to drop more. Next one is the 1-hour time frame. in 1 hour chart, it seems to me we got this as some kind of a double zigzag over here, and this is just a pullback, and market is trying to print a new low over here. I will actually create a video, a separate video on EURUSD currency pair, and I will upload it with more details. And for the time being, it seems to me euro dollar is trying to drop over here, and if we do get a bearish candlestick close below 1.1716 level, the chances are high that euro dollar is going to drop more. Okay, so at this point in time, you can see price action is falling down, and based on my sell trade over here, which I took the trade on Friday, I showed you that as well. I logged in 2 pips profit. Okay, so this is about $1,000 profit over here, 1,049 US dollar and 80 cents. So I even paid a $15 commission over here. Anyways, let's go forward, move forward. Okay, so 15 time frame price action is falling down, and I expect further weakness in price action of euro USD currency pair. Next, let us take a look at US dollar index. US dollar index market is trying to rise up over here. It seems to me we have completed a 5-wave down over here, or maybe market is going to rise up a little bit more, and then we might get a new low in price action of US dollar index. So far, the way I see, price action is rising up, and if we do get a bullish breakout above 97.34 level, then it means expect more upside in US dollar index. Okay, next one is the pound dollar. Pound dollar is testing the 1.3600 level, the round number over here, and this round number suggests that market is probably going to drop over here. Okay, next one is the 4-hour time frame. So far, a 1.3716 level is providing nice resistance over here, and the way I see price action is probably going to drop more. These usually break to downside. Well, here, this is what I've told you guys when I draw this bullish trend channel over here. I told you guys that, let me adjust this, that these things usually break to the downside. This was just a corrective wave, and the way I see price action is now trying to drop to the downside. Okay, so it's falling down, looks bearish. Aussie dollar currency pair, Aussie dollar is also going down. Looks like to me we got a nice big bearish candlestick today, and probably tomorrow we will get some more drop in price action. So over here you see we got down in price action, and the chances are high the Aussie dollar is going to drop even further. Next one is the New Zealand dollar NZDUSD currency pair. It seems to me NZDUSD currency pair has also printed a top. It did not hit the 0.6129 level, and the way I see price action is probably going to drop more in NZD/USD currency pair. Okay, so this means USD Swiss franc must be rising up. Okay, so if you take a look at this is the daily first. It seems to me wave number 5 looks complete over here, and if you check out the 4-hour time frame suggests that once we do get a bullish breakout above 0.7993 level, the downtrend is over. It's done. It's finished. If we do get a bullish breakout above 0.7993 area. Next one is the US dollar Swiss franc 1-hour time frame. I was expecting a pullback. We got the pullback, but maybe this is not a pullback. Maybe market wants to go up. from these lows. If I zoom out a little bit, so we have two possible scenarios. One scenario is price action is going to rise up from current levels, and the second scenario is market is going to drop from current levels. So we'll see how it goes. Next one is the spot gold. Regarding the spot gold, I told you guys that spot gold is going to drop and it's falling down. If you check out the 4-hour time frame, regarding the 4-hour chart, I told you that spot gold is going to hit 0.786% Fibonacci retracement level over here. Let me check out what's going on in euro because the trade is going on. Yes, so far it looks fine. Price action just keep going down, down and down. This looks like to me we got about 22 pips profit over here. Okay, let me go over to a smaller chart of EURUSD. Okay, it's kind of making a joke here. That's the scenario. Okay, what I'm going to do is I think it's a good idea to scare this trade, close this trade, get out of the market. Let me close this trade. Go to close order. Move this one over here a little bit. And what's the price? 1.1746. Okay. So 1.1746. Okay, let me close it. Okay, the trade has been closed and I'm out of the market with a profit. Let me see what I got. Go to the trading account history. So down over here, this is about $1,095 profit over here. So it is closed. Give me a second, I have to send the message to some of my students and subscribers as well. 1 second. Okay, close the EURUSD. Close the EURUSD sell trade at the current market price with a profit of how much? Where's the calculator? Let's see. Okay, so sell entry was 1768 and trade closed at 1746. Okay, so how many pips? About 22 pips with a profit of plus 22 pips. Okay. I usually do not show these live trades, but the trade was open, so I thought it's a good idea to do it in real time. Okay, over here. Okay, 1 second. Okay, so euro dollar sell trade closed. Market might go a little bit lower than that, who knows, but you see the profit, you take it. Short-term trading is different, and trend following stuff, that's different. I teach both of these strategies, by the way, on my website. Okay, let's go back to the other trading terminal. So spot gold, I'm expecting XAUUSD to drop more. Next one is the USD sideways in USDCAD. Okay, so this is the yellow color highlighted area. Okay. The request is about the USDJPY currency pair. Yes, I will show. I will talk about the USD yen. Okay, USDCAD, it's firing up, and it seems to me I expect further upside in USDCAD currency pair. Next one is the USDJPY currency pair. Okay. Okay, USD JPY currency pair. I expect price action to move sideways. Next one is the 1 hour chart of USD yen. Okay, price action took out the 100% level, but we got the overlap over here as well. So it seems to me we're getting a corrective price action over here. Regarding the Elliott wave count, the way price action is behaving, I think we got this as wave A over here. After wave A, we got the pullback, wave B, which could probably turn into a double zigzag, maybe something like that. Okay, so I think I covered the USD yen currency pair as well. Okay, so that's pretty much it for today from my side. Let's go back over here and update this thing. So overall I got 22 pips profit. I mean, I closed the trade with a profit of 22 pips. If someone is still holding that trade, you know, he's still in profit because market is falling down. Okay. Okay, so I think that's pretty much it for today from my side, and hopefully I will do the New York market session in about 10 to 11 hours time. Okay, so that's it from my side. Have a nice